You've been making your garlic bread wrong your entire life. Don't fuck it up. No one needs the whole fucking baguette. Grab a baguette and slice it in half. Echo! When's Bin Laden coming out? They found him in a cave. It sounds like I'm in... Yeah, whatever, never mind. You're gonna grab a bowl and you're gonna put some fucking butter in it. Grab a garlic clove and you're just gonna cut off the end until it looks like this. Grab some aluminum, garlic goes in. You can do this part with olive oil, but I don't have olive oil, so a little bit of butter and you're gonna close it. This goes in the fucking oven. How long does it go in the oven for? I actually have no idea what the fuck's going on today, so I'll tell you when it's done. Grab a handful of parsley and chop it super fucking thin. Parsley goes in the butter. 2 basil leaves. A pinch of salt. 450 degrees, 30 minutes. Until it looks like this. And you're just gonna squeeze this into the butter. Ow, ow, ow. It's so fucking hot. Mixy, until it looks like this. Get some color on your bread. And now we fucking spread. Think we're finished? Think fucking again. You're gonna rip off some pieces of mozzarella. Now we're making fucking cheesy bread in it. I'm convinced this is by far the best way to make garlic bread. Oven until the fucking cheese melts. He's done it again.